Good morning, friends. Welcome to Tip of the Day by Hariharan. Today, we are going to look into two features. One is how to avoid media files, photographs, audio files getting downloaded into your gallery and filling the space of your phone so that you need not clean the clutters very often. There is a very simple way to do it. Open WhatsApp, go and click the three dots on the right hand top, go to settings. The settings, you have chats option, choose chats option. Once you choose chat option, there is a media visibility. You can see show newly downloaded media in your phone's gallery. In my phone, in my application, I have switched it off. Normally it will be switched on and it will be in this position. Switch it off. Once you switch off the media visibility, the videos you watch or the images you watch or the audio files you hear will not get downloaded into your gallery. So this will avoid clutters and save space. The next thing is, whenever we are on the move, officially or personally or on tour, we will like to share pictures with editings done on that with fun, or with when you're in work you want to mark something. That can be done directly from the phone. In WhatsApp you do not to go to photo editing software. How to do it? Here choose the person whom you want to send the picture. There is a clip button in the bottom. Touch it and you will see the options of camera and gallery there. You can directly take a photo in your camera, or you can use the gallery option to go to the gallery. From the gallery, you can select the picture you want to edit. You can see there is a lot of pictures. Edit. So I am going to select a good picture so that where you can editing is visible. I have selected the picture. Now the picture is visible on the screen, and there is a pencil mark on the right top. You can go touch it and you get a bar in which color you want to draw. You can select the color and you will see the pencil mark turning into that color, and you can use your finger to draw whatever you want in whichever way you want. And you can also delete it by touching the back button one by one. You want to insert a text, you can go touch the T symbol there and you can type the text. Then you can choose the color of the text you want from the sidebar, and you can place it wherever you want. You can also add an emoji or timestamp on it by clicking the smiley there. And if you want to put a timestamp, there is watch time there. If you just go and touch it, you can put a timestamp there which will indicate the time you have taken this doing this editing. You can also add fun shapes, emojis here. You can see a lot of fun shapes and emojis here. If you want to add a heart symbol to it, you can just go click it You can add it and you can reduce the size, you can move it round, do whatever you want with that. Also, you can crop the picture by using the crop button. Use your fingers to just crop it the whichever way you want. Once the cropping is done, when say done, it will go back to the cropped picture. Then you can add a caption you want. You can add a caption and just press send and the picture is shared. And you can see this is the picture I have shared with all these things done. So the viewer will like to view it in a nice way. You can use it for your official and personal purpose. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day. This is Hariharan signing off for Mind Tuner. Bye.